Hello my dear students, welcome to your science class. This is part 6 of transportation in animals and plants, and in this particular video we are going to see how our heart works, what is heartbeat and pulse, what is stethoscope, and then we'll see assignments. So let's start with the working of heart. So I told you in the previous video that heart works as a pump, and it works as a double pump because it is divided into 4 chambers and 2 parts. Okay, so right and left. One side is responsible for pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and another side of the heart is responsible for pumping oxygenated blood to the whole body. So left part of the heart is responsible for oxygenated blood, and right part of the heart is responsible for deoxygenated blood. Okay, so we see the heart function as a double pump. Impure means deoxygenated blood from the veins flow into the right atrium of the heart. From here blood enters the right ventricle through an opening. The impure blood is transported from the right ventricle to the lungs by pulmonary artery. Gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs. What kind of gaseous exchange takes place? The carbon dioxide is returned to the lungs and oxygen is received. Okay, so the blood gets oxygen rich, and it comes again to the left part of the heart with the help of pulmonary vein. Okay, from here it goes to the aorta. Okay, so this is the way how blood comes and goes. Okay, so we will see in this particular diagram. Here you can see, just follow the dots. You can see here, the dots are visible and blood is coming inside from inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. It comes to the right atrium. From here it comes to the right ventricle, and from here it goes to the pulmonary artery, means towards the lungs. Okay, then from lungs it comes to the pulmonary artery to left atrium, and from here again left atrium, and from here it comes to the left ventricle. Okay, you can see the dots, then you will be able to follow. From left ventricle it goes to the aorta. Where it goes? It goes to the aorta, and from here it goes to all body. So I hope you are clear. Again you can see here, blood comes to the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. From here it comes to the right atrium, and from right atrium it comes to the right ventricle. You can see here blue dots, and from here it goes to the pulmonary artery towards the lungs. Okay, after getting oxygen it comes to the pulmonary vein. From here it comes to the left atrium, and from the left atrium again it goes towards the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle it goes towards aorta. Where it goes? It goes towards aorta, and from here it goes to the whole body. So this is the working of heart. In this way blood flows. Now you can see the cycle. Superior from body tissues. Okay, from body tissues superior and inferior vena cava receives the blood towards the right atrium. From here by tricuspid valve it goes to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle it goes to the pulmonary valves towards the pulmonary trunk and then pulmonary arteries, and from pulmonary arteries it goes towards the lung tissues and gets oxygen. Okay, from here it comes to the pulmonary veins towards the left atrium. From here it follows by bicuspid valve, it opens to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes towards the aortic semilunar valves towards the aorta. Again the cycle completes. Okay, from aorta it goes to the body tissues. So this is the way how blood circulates in our body. Okay, this is if you see from the body tissues it comes to the lungs, and again from the lungs it goes to the body tissues. It follows this cycle. I hope now it is clear to you. So what is heartbeat and pulse? Okay, I have told you the heart works as a pump. Okay, so when it contracts and relax, it shows a rhythmic movement, and that is known as heartbeat. That rhythmic movement of heart is heartbeat. And pulse is something that throbbing sensation of an artery at each beat of the heart is known as pulse. And how we can measure the pulse? With the help of an instrument that is known as stethoscope. I will show you the picture, the diagram of stethoscope, how it looks, and doctor use this instrument to measure our pulse rate. Okay, to know our pulse rate, place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. You will feel the throbbing movement at this place. Here you can see how you have to do. So here you have to place two fingers and then you will feel. Again another way is you can place here also. So in this way you can take your pulse, you can measure your pulse. Just try to count your pulse for 20 seconds and let me know in comment section how much pulse you are getting. कितना आपका पल्स हो रहा है 20 सेकंड में, 30 सेकंड में आप कैलकुलेट करके हमें बताएंगे. उस हिसाब से आप बता सकते हैं कि 1 मिनट में आपका, या आप 1 मिनट के लिए अपनी घड़ी को देखिए और अपने पल्स को काउंट करिए. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपका पल्स रेट क्या है और आप हमें कमेंट करके ये बताएंगे. ओके, सो एट द रेस्टिंग फेज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन हैज़ अ पल्स रेट बिटवीन 72 to 80 beats per minute. If you run or go for heavy exercise for 5 to 10 minutes or more than that, you will feel that your pulse rate is increased. Okay, आपको पता चलेगा जैसे ही आप हैवी एक्सरसाइज करने जाएंगे या दौड़ने जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपकी जो पल्स रेट है वो बढ़ गई, क्योंकि आपकी ब्रीथिंग जो है वो बढ़ जाएगी, हार्ट की पंपिंग वो बढ़ जाएगी, इसलिए आपका जो पल्स रेट है वो बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, तो आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. तो आइए देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज स्टेथोस्कोप. इट इज़ एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज़ यूज्ड टू लिसन द हार्ट बीट ऑफ अ पर्सन. इट एम्पलीफाइज द हार्ट बीट सो दैट द डॉक्टर्स कैन मॉनिटर इट and find out the patient's condition. It contains 2 earpieces, a tube that connects them to the chest piece comprising a sensitive diaphragm. Okay, तो आप इसको देखिए, इसमें जो मेन पार्ट होता है आप इसको देख सकते हैं. ये ईयर पीस है, ये कान में डॉक्टर लगाते हैं दोनों तरफ, राइट एंड लेफ्ट की तरफ. और ये जो नीचे का पोर्शन है यहाँ पे, ये डायफ्राम है और ये ट्यूब है, यही मेजर पोर्शन है. ओके, तो ये चीज़ें हैं, ये आपके जहाँ हार्ट बीट लेनी होती है वहाँ लगाते हैं और ये कान पे लगाते हैं. ये डायफ्राम एम्पलीफाई करता है जिससे कि हार्ट बीट तेज़ी से सुनाई देती है और डॉक्टर आपके हार्ट बीट को काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ स्टेथोस्कोप. ओके, तो क्या असाइनमेंट में आपको क्या करना है, नोट्स बनाने हैं डायग्राम के साथ. और आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग असाइनमेंट मैं दे रहा हूँ कि अगर आप अपना स्टेथोस्कोप बनाना चाहें तो आप कैसे बना सकते हैं. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक इट इफ़ यू कैन. ओके, आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू कैन. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर असाइनमेंट. These are the resources. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.